What's going on, guys? It's Fitness with Flex, and I'm going to give you guys another tip to help you reach your New Year's fitness resolution. And that is basically, you definitely have to worry about what you're ingesting. Your food is, like they say, 70%, if not even more, of your results. You can do all the workouts you want to do at the gym, as hard as you want to go at the gym. That's only going to be about 30%. Why is the food so important? Because when you're at the gym, you're just breaking your body down. You need to eat the proper foods in order for your body to recover properly. And the foods that you eat determine whether or not you're going to lose body fat. Just because you're counting calories, that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to lose the right type of weight. If all I'm gonna do is eat 1,000 calories a day, that sounds pretty low. But what if I'm eating 1,000 calories of just potato chips? That means I'm gonna lose weight. Probably am gonna lose weight. I'm probably gonna lose crazy muscle mass, and I'm probably gonna retain most of my body fat. So it's just not about working out. More important than anything is going to be your meal plan.